It's 6 o'clock. Let's go. Come on. Promo packs. Okay. 50k packs. Come on. First pack opening. Here we go. Team of the year is out. We don't get a walkout. Okay. Alright. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Van Dijk, you're taking the mic! Alright, enough talking. Just discard. That's a joke. First pack we get Van Dijk. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 I mean, he goes for a decent amount. Don't get me wrong. Not a walkout. Lacazette, Walker, nice. 50,000 FIFA points. These aren't going down that quick. I think a lot of people are waiting until the 100k packs come out. Not a walkout yet. That's ridiculous. Can't believe we've got Van Dijk in the first pack. Oh, God. Messi's a 99 stamina. That's mental, that is. Come on. Of course, when I take a sip of Pepsi Max, we get a walkout. Here we go. It's not a blue, so I'm assuming it's not. Yeah, it's not Team New. Who's it going to be? Italian, centre back. Is that Chiellini? Bonucci. Ah, it's still a walkout though. 99 jumping and heading from 82 strength for Ronaldo. Wow. Messi 99 stamina. That's a game changer. That is. That is absolutely mental. If we don't get a walkout in this one or the next one, we won't carry on. You had 5 million coins yesterday. How did you have? I sold a lot of my players, Blue Door, mate. Sold a lot of my players. I can't believe I packed Van Dijk, man. 2 walkouts. Van Dijk. No, Van Dijk wasn't a walkout, was he? So we got 1 walkout, right? Oh, I've got 50,000 points now. I'm going to put it away until the next... Because the next ones will be 100Ks. No packs available, that's a shit. Oh wait, we got these packs. Here we go. That Messi looks disgusting. Oh, here we go. We'll open a Jumbo Premium Gold pack. Ronaldo has more agility than Messi. Yeah, because he really... in fact, yeah. Well, I don't know what his agility is now, prior to Team of the Year. Oh, here we go. 250k packs from the SBCs. Come on. Just give me a walkout. That's all I want, EA. Not a walkout. These 50k packs are so bad. So bad. David Alaba. Alright, that's 20k maybe? Can I look at the price on the market? I will do. Stoikov came out, I saw that, yeah. Yeah, so just under 20k, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. Alright, come on. Walk out, please, EA. These 50k packs are shocking. Pickford. 100k packs, 80,000. Come on, let's go. We're going through all of these. Give me a walkout. Let's go. First one's a walkout. What's this? Okay, it's not a blue. Is that Keylor Navas? Keylor Navas. Okay, first one's a walkout. That's good. Come on. Hopefully we can get something else in these. Discard. Wow, they're going down quick. I don't think we'll be able to... No, we're not going to open many of these, I don't think. Back-to-back walkouts. Come on, give me a blue. Give me a blue. I just want to... An inform, though. Who's this? Centre-back. Inter Milan. Is that Skriniar? Wow. 86 inform. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Skip them. No, I'm going to skip it. If it's a walkout, I'm not going to skip it. Not a walkout. Wow. Okay. I'm just going to keep opening. I don't know if they're going to do ultimate packs or not. I'm not sure if they're going to do ultimate packs or not. Van Dijk again. Is this a joke? We've got 2 Van Dijks now. Oh, unbelievable. Still 120k in the bank. Come on. Just give me a blue. Not a walkout. Come on, 34,000 FIFA points left. Not a walkout. 24 players all in. Our best player's been Van Dijk in terms of coin value. So discard these. So I want to make sure I don't discard anything good, you know? PS4 ones have gone, have they? Wow. Walkout. Come on. Spanish. Cam. David Silva. 40,000 coins. Still some coins, but we need the big players. I don't want to go through all of these packs and then they release the ultimate packs. Inform, walkout, Argentina, Cam, Zach Gomez, another inform walkout. Can't complain with that. Probably do that for anyone. Yeah, I don't think I'll do it now. We've got another David Silva. That's 2 walkouts in 1 pack. Nice. But I'm still waiting for their blue. We've got 2 more. We'll open 2. These aren't even going down that quick. No walkout. These haven't been that good, have they? Mahrez, nice. Here we go. Ultimate packs, please. Yes, let's go. 65,000 to go. We're opening all of our points now. Come on! Not a walkout. Not a walkout. What? Nah, come on. Back-to-back ultimate packs, no walkout. 83 highest rated. Is this some kind of sick joke? What is going on? Oh, my God. Ray, we get walkout! Woo!
Hope I can give you some luck, Spenny.
Germany, Cam. Don't want that. Don't want him. Jesper, thank you for the 37th month in a row. Really do appreciate it, mate. Send him to the club. You got me a bit of luck, better than normal. But yeah, thank you very much, Jesper. Appreciate it. Hopefully I can get some luck from you. Yeah, I know Castro got Mbappe. I've had 1 walkout. These are vile. Vile. If we pack a walkout in the next 2 of these packs, I'll upload 12,000 more FIFA points. They don't want my money. They don't want my money. Unbelievable. This is disgusting. What am I doing? Why am I even loading more points up? Like, no, they're not even going quick. Hey, we're going to walk out. Fantastic. And it's a normal player. Who's it going to be? England. Harry Kane. Do you know what? Let me see how much he goes for. Because that, if he's 100k or more, I'm happy with that. Take that back. I'm not happy with that. 53,000 coins? What am I seeing? It's going to be Bonucci again, isn't it? Was that three walkouts in 32,000 FIFA points? I'll do your deal. I'll back out the store and go back in so you can apply the walkouts to my account, okay? In fact, what we're going to do to make it even more chance of me packing a walkout, we're going to open this 50k pack first. We don't get a walkout. I knew we weren't going to get a walkout, of course, right? So this is what's going to happen. We're going to discard all of these because they're rubbish, right? So I won the draft for nothing, basically. That's fine. It's not a problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into the promo packs. We're going to open it. And so the walkout's this one. And we're going to get a blue. So we get the walkout. Of course we do. It's not a problem. Who's the walkout going to be, though? It's an inform. It's... No. Nah. No. This is it. This is my last 12k, though. I'm not opening any for midfielders. I'm not opening any for defenders. I'll open some when they're all in packs again. I think. I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. What am I doing? I don't know. Stop me. Don't stop me. I want a blue, you know? Hey, there we go. Spenny's back in action here. Alright, here we go. Yeah, a walkout. I've gave you 12,000 FIFA points. Yeah? Gave you more money. I just want a good walkout, you know? Just a good one. That's what I want. It's fine. Guys, I hope you're watching this, right? Unless you're Vince, you're not going to pack it. Alright? Don't do it. You're going to ask me why I'm doing it. I don't know. I can't give you an answer. Yeah, it's better to open when they're all in packs, of course. But if that was the case, I'd pack two Van Dijks by now. 100k packs are better. And I don't understand why. You got more players, more rares in this. I'm not gonna... I mean, do I have to do another deal with EA? Is that what we're going to have to do here? If we pack a good walkout that's over 100k, I'll load up some more FIFA points. This is it, EA. It's your choice. Your choice. 12,000 FIFA points. We've not got a walkout just yet. Of course we do. Ah, who's it gonna be? Jordi Alba. I don't know how much he goes for. I don't know how much Jordi Alba goes for. I don't know how much he goes for. 30k. He's not over 100k, is he? Let's be honest, lads. Yeah, 30k. No more points then. No more points for EA. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Because I didn't. Absolute joke.